Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at Arge Urban Bloom project which is located in Yeshwanthpur, Bangalore. This project is sprawled over 2 acres of land and has 80% open space. It carries 3 number of towers with 20 floors each. It offers 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK residential apartments. Here you can see the power backup facility provided in this project. And friends, now we'll give you the interior view of a model flat. So this is the open space. Outside the flat. And now we are moving inside. So this is the foyer. And now we are moving towards the living room. So here you can take the view of spacious living room. Very well crafted with lavish interior decoration. It's also having an attached balcony, as over there you can see. Here is the dining room. Skillfully designed apartment. And now we are moving towards the bedroom. So it's a small bedroom. It's a kid's room. Here is the window. It's a premium project by Arge Realty. And now we are moving towards the kitchen, and here you can take the view of Modular Kitchen. The spacious kitchen with wooden cabinets and wooden cupboards. And here is the separate utility area. Thoughtfully designed apartment. And now we have entered into the bedroom area, which is having an attached balcony. Here you can see the dimension of this bedroom. It's also having an attached washroom. So here you can take the view. And just opposite to this bedroom, here is another bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and here you can see the dimension of this spacious master bedroom. Over here you can see an attached balcony. And this is the spacious attached washroom with ultra modern fittings. Yeah, it's quite spacious. Beautifully designed apartment with fantastic wooden work. So this is the common washroom. Or it can also be used as an attached washroom. So now we have entered into another bedroom. Again, you can see the room is spacious, having beautiful interior work. Here is the window. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a model flat. Hope you like this video. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.